Welcome to our tutorial on how to easily search for a specific message in a WhatsApp group. By following these simple steps, you can quickly find the information you need without scrolling through endless conversations. To begin, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device and navigate to the group you want to search in. Once you are in the group chat, tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, select the search option from the drop-down menu. This will bring up a search bar at the top of the screen where you can enter your search term. Type in the keyword or phrase you are looking for and press enter. WhatsApp will automatically filter the messages in the group to show only those that contain your search term. If you want to narrow down your search even further, you can use the up and down arrows or tap on the magnifying glass icon to enter a specific date range. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily search for a specific message in a WhatsApp group and find the information you need quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy searching.